Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to fix too many requests in ChatGPT. To start, open your internet browser and then log on to chat.openai.com. Now the issue here is too many requests in ChatGPT. To check on this, open a new tab. Once in the new tab, search the following: OpenAI status. After hitting enter in your search, it will now lead you to google.com with the search engine, and then you're going to click on the first link that appears on your screen. If it says all systems operational, OpenAI should be all good. Now you can go back to openai.com. Now click on the three dots on the upper right. That's the settings of Google Chrome. Once you're there, go ahead and click on privacy and security. Once you're on privacy and security, this time click on cookies and other site data. Once you're in here, just follow the settings on my screen. I'll be scrolling down a few times so that you could follow along. In this drop down, make sure nothing is checked. In here, block third-party cookies in incognito. And now, for clear cookies and site data when you close all windows, turn this on. And that's it. Just follow my settings, then everything should all be good. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.